Might as well film and me get out, mate. Let's get a kebab. Or a shawarma, whatever the fuck you call them. And I'll heavy then, innit? Belter. Walls are open now. Seating now. Belter. Belter. Set up. Big heavy kettle. It's a belter. Good. At least all a decent tent. Little setup and all bundled together that it's warmer because it's fucking freezing out here. So yeah, I'll keep it up. Oh, I'm not that punches. Oh, I'm wrong and this, that and the other. Fucking hell. Just calm down. You've got kids, right, as well. Hate to say it, but you don't know what's going to happen. I never dreamed in my life that I'd ever be on like that. And now we're fucking proper young. I didn't dream I'd ever smoke weed on a bit. Know what I mean? But it happens, doesn't it? Hopefully it doesn't, and it shouldn't. And some people are horrible, and that's in all walks of life. Whether that's homeless, addiction, businessmen, people who just work a normal shot. Anyone, in all walks of life, you've got good and bad. You know what I mean? Can't judge books by the cover and all that shout. Oh, get in this millionaire's grill. Most people are smashing a Greggs at this time. I'm like, yeah, that's not enough calories. I said eat like fucking 5 pasties. 5 pasties and 2 sausage rolls as soon as I get the calories. One of these fucking ends up dying of heartburn. Whereas I could just get a big stinking kebab out of you. Be back out. This little lentil soup, heavy gaff, you know. Proper heavy gaff. I'll get that in me, and then the kebab. It's enough calories. Crack on, nearly finished that. I'll open that up in a minute, show you what it's about. I get to record it straight away. But I can't help but fucking bite it as soon as I open it. It's fucking unbelievable. That's gone. Policy. High on the calories like the Polish. Meal number 2. Heavy. Look at him, man. Gaming. It's on the graft. On the graft, though. It's ready. I love this kebab, you know. There's only that left of it. Have a good day. Oh, fucking hell. That was fucking heavy, that. Oh, proper thing. Oh, you want that? I'm in the vlog, yeah. That's 2 meals in. I'm not classing the protein shake that I got up and drank. 6 is a meal. It's just not happening. I tried 2 shakes at 6. You could probably class that as 3 meals. Fuck it, yeah, 3 meals in it. 2 shakes are 1,200 calories. Oh yeah. Day meal of the day. It's like 11:15 in the morning. Radio City Town. I'll soon in them, won't I? Kitchen. That seagull one, man. It's fucking ready, man. That seagull was game. Get your kebab. That's what it is like. It's proper eyeing the kebab off. If I had sat at a table closer to that and just stole it. This has just bounced in, jumped on the table, picked it up and fucked off. Probably thrown a knicker out of its wing at me. There's a pound. and that. Whenever you hear the seagulls, man, the XL gullies though. It's all this shit, man. See you telling you where things are, I suppose. Yeah. I mean, this Brink. Have a coffee. Flannels. That one, lad. Gonna make the sign to rob me before, you know. What, lad? What? See? Flat. Just thought I'd let him know there was mates at the bunch. Mates in town trying to graft and knock kebabs. Oh, yeah. Reckon I don't shit myself and go in and get my tongue pierced. And again, no, I won't be able to eat properly. That's the excuse I'm using today, anyway. Get your eyebrow pierced then, geez, and meet with your eyebrows. To be honest, it's like 80 quid, isn't it? What I haven't got is, I spend an 80 quid and then just stab me in the face. Sometimes I can. Sometimes I think, can I be bothered giving you marijuana to just stab me? Oh, yeah. Yeah, look, there's a wanna, stab me. I mean, you look good after they've stabbed you. Well, depending on what your idea of looking good is. Individual, innit? Community support. Ossifers. Community support officer. The Liverpool Central, open top, pissing down, absolutely bolted. Doesn't get any better. Probably the only Lostons left in England. This is, I walk through here, I'll never say what it is. This is Central Station, train station. Catch your trains here to New Brighton and Ormskirk and Southport and Bootle and wherever the fuck else it is you want to go. Also get one to Lime Street to go on your longer destinations, such as Blackpool, London, Scotland, Plymouth, all of them guys. All of that, you get me.
Time to street.
Oh, it's all right. Iowa. My butt cheeks. In agony.
Oh, yeah.
Too fucking needle happy in the butt cheek. Bruising around our butt cheeks. That's the chap up to say. Probably. Yeah. I do not condone the use of any performance enhancing drugs or any drugs for that matter. I also do not promote or condone any illegal or illicit activity. Everything I say about the matter is purely for educational purposes only. Please consult the advice of your doctor, through a counsellor, therapist, guidance counsellor, or any of these relevant parties before taking any information or advice which I give you, or any other social media / YouTube personality / influencer. Thank you very much. yeah, that's gonna have to go in my chest today. Into them fucking shoulder ones, like I said, and I can't get it in my thigh. I don't know why. It just needle always snaps or bounces back off or something. I don't know why. It just refuses to go in. Plunge just like that. So I'm gonna do something that's just not recommended for anyone. I'm probably should aim my chest because I'll spot jab it. Not that I believe that has any impact. People tell you differently. So you're spot jabbing, jab your biceps and your triceps and that. And it'll work. The only thing that happens is it might feel like you just fucking stuck a needle into yourself, so the area becomes inflamed. Do you know what I mean? So because you fucking start training it then, or at some given point during the day or night, and you've already like fucking aggravated it basically for that day or that specific workout, it might feel like it's pumped up a bit more. It might even start looking visibly, but in the long term, I think it cause more harm than good. It's just, if I stuck another needle in my ass, I can just about sit down now. I'm sitting down like side saddle. You know what I mean? They've got up to there, so like my ass is killing. Oh. Ooh. It better be open as well. Like, I know it is open today because I've obviously got an appointment and all that. I mean, at this time. And again, I'm sure the Brink change groups on at 11. Or 10:30. It's like fucking 11 now, so it must be open for about 9:30. Only because I need a coffee. And to take some of this cough medicine I got off the doctor. And to use their bathroom facilities after I took 2 sips of coffee, because we all know what's going to happen then. Oh damn, it's so cold. Yeah, the clock fella. Hopefully that in there, I was looking at that. Talent that in it to be able to do things like that. Oh god. Fuck. Has he? I can't wait to sit down. I'll try to at least. Fucking kneel down like I'm praying. Ass will kill him. Oh well. I'm here now anyway. I'm Brink, I need a piss. So, gonna need to do what I've got to do. Catch some stuff. I'm here now, I'm having my coffee. Thanks for watching. Here's my coffee. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell notification to not miss out on any new content. Let's be better today than what we was yesterday. Better tomorrow than what we are today. Let's get fucking huge. Peace out.